So finally guys, we are back with a new video. Today in this video we are going to be talking about how you can make money by using mana token, which is linked with the blockchain technology, and how you can use for making money online. Stay tuned with me, watch this video till end, never miss any single step of this video. So if you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for upcoming interesting videos. So no waste more time, let's begin. Decentraland is a user-owned metaverse launched in 2015 basically, where players can create 3D scenes, applications, art galleries and casinos. And to guarantee safety, all ownership's details are documented on Ethereum blockchain. Basically, mana tokens serve as a mean of exchange in Decentraland. You can get them in exchange of Bitcoin or Ethereum on powerful trading platforms like Binance, Coinbase, Blockchain, and Gemini. As of March 2021, the cost of mana as was around $2. Land in Decentraland come in parcels of 33 meter by 33 meter. The virtual world represent in non-fungible tokens, NFTs, meaning they are unique and irreproducible. Once you have your land, here is how you can develop it: building casinos for player to win big. Paying with crypto is always safe and fast. All the best casinos now is, and Decentraland through the Decentraland games is not an exception. It allows players to use the BTC or Ethereum. They exchange for mana to build their casinos and offer existing experience. Also running on Ethereum blockchain, Decentraland game supplies the casinos and game in Decentraland. All you have to do is earn enough Decentraland game tokens, and just like that you become the house owner. You become the house, and you can earn money in the Decentraland by the mining. Players can mine DG when playing to game using mana and to earn extra points. Play in group tables and use the NFT variables. Referrals, because you are an affiliate. Decentraland allow you to get DG tokens by referring new gamers. Governments offer, if you look your mana tokens in the Decentraland game, governors contract the company will give you regular DG bonuses. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming interesting videos. We will meet in our next video. Take care. Goodbye.